Basisa was a man who had devoted his entire life to the worship of Allah. He lived far away from people, in a quiet place where nothing could disturb his devotion. For 70 years, he fasted by day, prayed by night, and turned away from the pleasures of the world. People spoke of him as one of the most righteous worshippers of his time. As the years passed, Basisa became known not only for his worship, but also for his wisdom. People would occasionally come to him seeking advice, though he mostly remained in seclusion. He believed he had purified himself through long years of devotion and distance from sin. But Shaitan, who watches the hearts of humans, saw Basisa's righteousness and said, "I cannot approach him directly. I will mislead him slowly, step by step, until he falls." One day, a man came to Basisa and said he needed to travel and had no one to care for his sister. He asked if Basisa could watch over her temporarily. At first, Basisa refused, fearing temptation and wanting to maintain his solitude. But the man insisted, and Shaitan whispered to Basisa's heart, reminding him that helping others was also a good deed. Eventually, Basisa agreed, but kept the woman at a distance, in a separate place near his dwelling. Time passed. The Shaitan whispered again, "You are safe. You are a righteous man. There is no harm in speaking to her directly to ensure she is well." Basisa allowed small changes, each one seeming harmless. Step by step, the distance between them grew smaller, and the boundaries he once held began to weaken. Eventually, Basisa fell into sin with her. When she became pregnant, fear overwhelmed him. He realized his reputation, his worship, and his life of devotion were all at risk. In panic and despair, he turned again to Shaitan, who whispered, "There is only one way to save yourself. Kill her and hide the matter." Blinded by fear, Basisa committed the grave crime, but Shaitan did not stop there. He went to the girl's family and revealed everything, turning them against Basisa. The truth came out, and Basisa was exposed. As he was being taken away, Shaitan appeared to him one last time and said, "I am free of you. I only invited you. You followed. I now fear Allah, the Lord of the worlds." Basisa realized too late that his downfall had not come suddenly, but step by step, each small compromise leading to a great ruin. After 70 years of worship, he was sentenced to execution, his life in disgrace, a warning for all who think righteousness alone makes one safe from slipping. And he died worshipping Shaitan, committing the biggest sin known to mankind, shirk.